Today we're featuring a 2012 Toyota Tacoma. It's a base model. It's got 89,000 miles on it. It's silver streak mica in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll make our way down the driver's side here. Everything looks really good along this side. It is the 4-door, okay? It does have the bed liner in there from the factory. Everything looks good across the rear of the vehicle. Just a little bit of rub back here on the back bumper, okay? Not much though, you can hardly see it. Just a little bit of rub, but this vehicle's got 89,000 miles on it, so that's to be expected. Make our way down the passenger side here. Overall, this truck's in really good shape. All right, so 2012, 89,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the gray and black door panels, power locks, power windows. It does have the gray cloth. It's a little bit of stain right there. Just not even a stain really, just kind of rubbing right there in the cloth. All right. Other than that, driver's seat's in really good shape. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. All right, it is the captain's chairs. It's not the split bench. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape. It is an automatic. Got your USB auxiliary outlet there with 2 power supply plug-ins. Got your climate control area there. AM FM CD player display here, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it does have 89,258 miles. Now that we've got it started, I'm going to show you your display here and also your climate control area. And one thing I failed to mention to you or show you, it also has the power side mirrors as well. Alright, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, it does have the nice full back seat with the full door. Okay, it's not just an extended cab or anything like that. It's kind of like the crew cab. All right, back seat cloth looks good. Just a little rub right there in the cloth. All right, everything else is in really good shape. All right, carpet back here looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Once again, it does have the bed liner from the factory there. Okay, tailgate works good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger seat. Everything's in good shape there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We got 15-inch steel wheels. All right, Goodyear tires, almost a brand new set. I mean, look at the tread on that. Ton of tread left there. All right, once again, it's a 2012 Toyota Tacoma base model, 89,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. All right, it's a nice ride with 89,000 miles on it. It's in great shape. This thing will be priced right. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.